Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great Monday morning, had a good weekend, and ready to get started on the day. There's a lot to go on today. You got Elon Musk's tweet that's been everywhere, and well, I like to start every day off with a little quote here, and generally it's one that'll give me a nice little laugh. So today we got Mr. Dwight Schrute from The Office here. Age is just a number. False. Age is a word. Age is a word, my friends. So it's like people making up their own stuff. A lot of times people make up their own stuff in trading. They think they're like reinventing the wheel. Everything's out there. You just gotta learn it and control it, master it, and control the emotions. That's it. You don't have to reinvent the wheel and come up with some magical indicator. So let's go ahead and start looking into today's day here. Over the weekend, Elon Musk. Well, you know what? Before we do that, let me explain to you guys a little bit because this stream is new. We've never done this stream here as far as like an organized fashion. What we're going to be doing here moving forward is Monday through Thursday, I will be streaming from 8 a.m. till 9 a.m. pre-market session here. Now that might change. We might go from 8 a.m. to 8:30 or from 8:30 to 9 or from 8:30 to 9:15. I don't know. We got to test it out. See what you guys like. Okay. See what you guys like. See what helps me bring you the most value. And then we'll go with that. Hopefully it's the 8 to 9. I kind of like it. You know, it's a full hour of streaming on here. We're also over on the Discord. For those of you who don't know, you can join the free Discord. Links pinned there in chat. And just in case, I'll put it to you here. Also, on Mondays, we do have free chat Mondays available. So on Mondays, you can watch us for free all day long on the Discord. I'll be trading there all morning, apart from the pre-market session, of course. Trading there all morning, then we do live lessons and live recaps. I come back in the afternoon, do another scan if there's afternoon setups, or I'll go ahead and do a live afternoon lesson as well. So free chat Mondays, link there to the Discord. You can come join us and hang out with us today. Now, as far as today goes, you know, Tesla's definitely going to be what I'm going to be watching the most. That gap down is going to be sick. Wow, good lord, what a gap down! Look at that thing. That gap down is definitely significant. I feel like you know, a good chunk of the trade has been taken away there. But if we can crack that 11:15 area, you know, what do we get down here today? 11:20s, about 11:20, 11:30. So that 11:20 area has been support. It's been support for a little while. Hey, I am game. What's up? What's up? Glad to have you on here. Today with Tesla's going to be anyone's guess, right? Because one of the main things we got to be looking out for is Elon's tweets, right? If he tweets something where he says, yeah, you know what, I am going to sell 10% of my Tesla, then, you know, I'd imagine Tesla dumps some more. If he doesn't say anything, I'd imagine Tesla probably jumps a little bit more, or maybe even gets choppy as people get in here thinking, hey, you know what, this might be just a big old bear trap, and they scoop up these this pullback. Something else to consider would be that he comes out and says, guys, you know what, without over, spoke with some advisors. I'm not going to be selling right away, but I am going to be selling over the course of the next few weeks, next few months, kind of like the Fed taper, and then maybe kind of like we see a little pullback, a hard pullback in Tesla to like 1100 area, and then we got a bounce. Regardless of the fact that, you know, Tesla, this is a monstrous move. Okay, it's a monster move. So a pullback here has been expected. Now let's see what happens today. We got to keep eyes on Elon's Twitter. You can't see me. Whoa. New stream woes. Can you see me now? There we go. You should be able to see me now. New stream woes. You know? First day on here, forgot to click a button. But all good though, because you know the charts are what matters right now. And here you go. That's the Tesla chart. you know, like I said, this 120 zone from back here, previous resistance here, and I draw the circle. Previous resistance there, and then it turned into support, and then now we're right in front of it. So, like, I'm really wanting to get puts on Tesla today, but not necessarily for a swing trade, more than likely a day trade, because I don't want to be exposed on on a position to the short side on Tesla, either shorting the stock itself or getting puts, and then have Elon tweet at 11 o'clock at night something, and then the next day we get a 100-point gap up. You know, I don't want to expose myself to that. So more than likely, day trades for me on Tesla, right here for now. You know, and that's what I'll be looking at today. One of the main stocks I'll be looking at today is that, but definitely, you gotta be out over here watching. You gotta be over here watching the man's Twitter. You have to be. 57.9% tweeted yes, 42.1% tweeted no to his tweet. Much is made lately of unrealized gains being a means of tax avoidance, so I propose selling 10% of my Tesla stock. I love this guy. He's just like, he sticks it to the man however he can. I will abide by the results of this poll, whichever way it goes. You know, that's what's left to be seen, obviously. His brother sold off recently, about 15%, I believe, or so. So we'll see. We'll see what happens there. But definitely got to be watching his Twitter feed, just in case, you know. And then that's, like I said, that's why I'm not going to be putting myself in any overnight risk on the stock with swing trades. I'll be watching it for day trades here. Let's take a look at some levels. I mean, right now, I don't like where we're at. The 1190s could be a resistance zone. This is the hourly chart. Right there. You see how I had previous resistance there and here. And here we broke above it, took it right back. Then we finally broke above it, extended. Now we're back underneath it. That'd be an area to watch, in my opinion, on Tesla today. Otherwise, the next level to watch would be a crack of this 1140, 1150, 1145, 1146 area. See how it was previous support. And then today, what is it showing up as? Support in pre-market, right? So those are some levels to watch. Maybe a crack of that, and then a little bounce back into that zone resistance. Maybe that'll show up as resistance, and it'll be something to trade off of. You know, what about you guys? Do you guys have any tickers you want me to look over before I start jumping through the scans and working on a watch list? Yo, Davo, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on there. The KURA, KURA here with a gap up, but 656 shares traded, period. So that's just, that doesn't even belong there. Checking in PTRA. Oh, guys, the weekly watch list was sent out yesterday in an email. I don't know if you guys in the stream, if you don't get my weekly watch list, let me get you the link here. All you have to do is go to this link, scroll all the way to the bottom, and to the bottom right hand side, you'll see subscribe to our watch list and newsletter. Okay, that way you can get the weekly watch list. Get the weekly watch list. Click here, scroll, to the bottom, right hand side, inside. There you go, guys. You can sign up for the weekly watch list there. It was sent out last night already, okay? So just a heads up on that. Let's check in on this PTRA. Let's see what's going on here. PTRA. So PTRA. All right, so no news that I see here on PTRA right now. 3 days ago, Los Angeles Department of Transportation to install solar and storage, microgrid, and EV charging to power 100 electric buses. Not much here as far as recent news. 920,000 shares traded here in pre-market. Probably not a, it'll probably be a nothing burger, you know? You have resistance here at, well, potential resistance here at 1374. You see it was previously resistance in that area. Then a support zone there, there, and just about here. We've broken underneath it, have not been able to get back above it. If you do get back above it, you do have room towards the 200-day moving average, which lies over $15. So you know what? I'm gonna write that one down, throw it on the list here, because it just needs volume. I'll put it on the list. I'll put it on the list like back burner. There we go. Back burner. PTRA. Watching for 1375 area support. Could have room over 15. So I'll be on the back burner list. This PTRA. Let's get back to Tesla real quick here. I'm going to put that one on the watch list for potential, you know, for the downside on it. Tesla, watching for the 1190 area to be resistance or a crack of the 1146 zone for further downside. Could have room down to 1100 area. All right, so we got Tesla on the watch list. We got PTRA on the back burner. Let's keep going through some of these scans. Oh my God, look at the daily chart on this IONO. That's insane. That's wild. That's a wild move. This thing's come from 10 bucks all the way up here to 21 and change. That's crazy. Let me take a look here. Dog's in here and he's whining because he wants to go out there and play with the kid. IONQ. Give me 1 second here, guys. Guys, give me 1 second. Literally gonna be 1 second. And I'm back. Sorry, guys. Had to get the dog out of here because he was gonna be whining. He's whining because he wants to short Tesla, and the market, you know, is not ready for the short on Tesla. So my dude was just whining. I had to put him back out there in his little kennel area. He can play with the baby later. All right, let's get back to business here. So IONQ. Let's see. IONQ. No news today. You know, it got some news in the past here. That's probably why it's obviously made this humongous run. It's too far away from anything today. I mean, not too bad. Maybe that $19 one, but how much higher can that go? You know, I'll keep an eye on it, but I don't think it's something that I'm going to be watching closely today. It's still early on, right? It's 8:23 in the morning. So typically speaking, I just go through the scans here now. Typically, right, on one of my regular days where I'm not on a stream, I'd be answering emails in here right now. I'd be answering some questions in the Discord. That's about it. And then watching a little bit the scans. Why? Because I need to just give it time for those press releases to come out. They generally come out in waves, right? You got the early ones in the 7 in the morning time frame, 7:30. You got the 8:30 wave. Then you got the 9 a.m. wave, right? So typically I'm done building my watch list around 9:10, more or less, because I wait for that 9 a.m. wave of PRs to come through. Sometimes some of the better ones come in around between 8:30 to 9. So right now, you know, just gonna do that. We're gonna hang out and take a look at some of these charts. But yeah, that's typically how it works for me. So BBIG, let's see why this was moving around this morning. 1 hour ago, BBIG announces filing of Form 10 registration statement in connection with planned spinoff Cryptide, TYDE. So that's not out here yet. Let's check this. Just check this out. November 8th, Vinco Ventures, BBIG, Vinco, today announced the filing of a Form 10 registration statement with the United States Security and Exchange Commission in connection with a planned spinoff of its subsidiary, Cryptide, Inc. The spinoff would make Cryptide a standalone publicly traded NASDAQ-listed company under the ticker symbol TIDE, TYDE. Vinco, so BBIG, will continue to trade under the BBIG ticker symbol on NASDAQ following completion of the planned spinoff and currently planned subsequent merger with Zash Global Media and Entertainment Corp. The Cryptide executive team has been transitioned from Vinco, with the former Vinco Chief Strategy Officer Brian McFadden named CEO of Cryptide, Vinco Chief Financial Officer Brent Vrooman named Chief Financial Officer of Cryptide, with him serving in both capacities as his duties are transitioned to the new Vinco CFO previously named. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Let's see, what's up? The Form 10 includes detailed information about Cryptide, including historical financial information, as well as business strategies, risk factors, and legal and financial disclosure. Distribution ratio in the spinoff is 1 share of Cryptide common stock for every 10 shares of Vinco common stock, BBIG. So if you have 10 shares of BBIG, you're going to get 1 share of Cryptide. That's pretty cool. For example, oh, well, here you go. For example, if a stockholder holds 1,000 shares of Vinco, they would receive 100 shares of Cryptide. Sounds like one of these like crypto deals. Distribution is currently anticipated to be tax free. Currently expected numbers of outstanding shares of Cryptide common stock is approximately 19 million. So that's why you're getting this move on BBIG, because BBIG holders or non-holders that want to get some of this Cryptide, I swear to you, because it says crypt, it feels like it's a crypto. They're in here trying to scoop up some shares, trying to be a part of this, so that when you get that spin off and Tide is listed, they get some free Tide. It sounds like a freaking detergent. It sounds like you're getting free detergent. 1 second here, guys. Awesome. That's too much. Hey guys, do me a quick solid. Throw a smash on the like button there for me. Help this stream build up, man, because this is the first day of something we're gonna do every day, Monday through Thursday. So it's kind of cool to see how quickly we can grow this stream. You know, we're gonna do this every. I was thinking about doing them in the evenings. There's no way, man. There's no way. I got a 2-year-old, and I don't see her enough during the day. Like even though I'm trading, I'm here all day long. You know, I don't get to hang out. Like last night, it was her birthday last week, so last night I was building her a little princess tent, and it was the best time ever. So I'm like, all right, we're gonna do the stream in the morning because you all like it, and it works out better for me. And how do I know you all like it? Because I did a poll in the community section of the channel, and I put the poll there. I was like, guys, what do you prefer? And everybody preferred the pre-market. So I was like, bet, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the pre-market. So do me a quick solid, smash that like button for me, and that helps out because the YouTube algorithm was kind of mad at me for a while, and now it's getting better since I fixed all my recording information, all my recording stuff. Like it wasn't HD enough. I thought it was, but I've messed up on the settings. And smashing the like button actually helps out tremendously. Kind of like feeds them. PPSI, Big Dane says, I'll check that one out for you. That's been long time news with BBIG. Might pop today. Yep, meme stock. So guys, on BBIG, I'm gonna watch for the 520 area. Maybe it breaks. Maybe it can break and hold. You have room to $6 area or so. Let's see here. Let me write this one down. BBIG, highly shorted meme stock with news of spinoff. Cryptide. Holders of BBIG will get a 10-to-1 distribution of shares. So if you hold 100 shares of BBIG, you will get 10 shares of Tide. Watching the 520 area to break and hold. Should have room to 6. All right. So watching this 520 area, you see how it was previously pretty tough resistance. And even now, watch and see if it breaks and holds. Could have room for the gap fill right in here up to like that $6 zone. I think at that point we just probably go up there and test the 50-day moving average if it can get there with some volume. So BBIG, one I'll keep on watch. Let's check in Big Dane PPSI. You want me to take a look at PPSI? So PPSI. Yep. Let's see if it's got any news. That's a big move already. Surprised it's not on my scans. All right, so PPSI, Pioneer Power launches eBoost Smart Mobile EV charging solution. All right. So on this one, this $5 zone, this mid fives, 540s has been tough resistance. We've gotten as high as almost 530 this morning in pre-market. But breaking hold of that level, you know, you do have room. So watching the 200-day moving average, right there around 450, 460. Watching that level, see if it holds support. I would prefer breaking hold of that 540 zone. I'll put that one on the list as well. PPSI. I'll do PPSI, launches eBoost, smart mobile EV charging solution. Watching the 200-day moving average around 450 zone to hold support, or a move towards 540s, or a break and hold of the 540 zone. Could have room. Could have room towards the 620s. Yep. Could have room towards 620s area. All right. KBIG's #1 stock on Twitch this morning. Yo, Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai never dies. What's up, my man? What's going on? How those dividend investments going this morning for you? Get any payouts? I guess looking through the scans here, see if we spot something else. PTRA is on the back burner. IONQ is just so extended. I can't, I don't think I would trade that. All right, so right now, seems like right now, maybe that's going to be it for a few minutes. The next wave of press releases hits. Oh, you're going to go fix a flat tire? Yeah, man, might as well wait until traffic dies down, because there's going to be a ton of traffic over there. That's good. You can watch the market open. Let me check on this KVSB. No recent press release that I see on that one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait until the next wave of, possibly wait until the next wave of press releases comes out. Unless you guys see something hit your scans. I'll check on the TI scans as well. So PPSI we went over. AUTL, I see AUTL hitting my TI scans. I don't like this daily chart. I really don't like that daily chart there. Let me see if it has any news. Guys, what's your favorite ticker to trade? Mine is definitely Tesla. Like if you've been following my channel for a while, you know it's Tesla. So AUTL. AUTL. Okay, so 7 hours ago, Blackstone Life Science to invest up to $250 million into AUTL to develop Obsel in adult acute. Okay, this it's a leukemia issue, and they've invested. Blackstone Life Sciences is investing $250 million into AUTL to come up with the solution here. John the host says the one that pays him the most is the one that he likes to trade. I like that. I like that. Make it a bumper sticker, Jonah. So AUTL got a $250 million or is getting a $250 million investment. So that's good. You can watch that 770 area, see if it holds support, but I just don't like this daily chart. It feels like it could be one of those super choppy trades. I mean, look how choppy this daily chart is. I have a hard time. I have a hard time putting it on the list. I'd put it on like just leave it on the scans, you know, like I'll watch it. If something happens, then maybe. What's the deal here on TTD? Guys, I have a question for you. What broker do you use? Because I'm looking to possibly get myself into a new broker, looking at interactive brokers, looking at Cobra, and also looking at Lightspeed. And also looking at Lightspeed. You did it already? Nice work. So TTD. The trade desk reports third quarter financial results. This is an hour ago. Let's see how they did. Cobra Kai. Those are good for long term. Those are fine for long term or even some swing trades, especially Webull. Especially Webull because Webull I think opens up like at 4:30 a.m. or something like that. Shameless plug, guys. In the description section, you'll find the Webull link. You download the app, you fund the account with like $5, you're gonna get a free stock. I think if you throw another 100, they give you another free stock. So it's a no-brainer because it's free stock. I think one of the free stocks I got a while back last year, was Starbucks. That was cool. That was a nice score. So on TTD, we again delivered outstanding performance in the third quarter. Revenue growth of 39% significantly outpaced worldwide programmatic advertising growth. More data-driven choices by advertisers led to record third quarter revenue of $301 million, an adjusted EBITDA of 122.7 million. Yeah, so they did good. They did really good. All right, so I did pretty good, man. Another one of these charts that I'm not a huge fan of, but maybe this $83 zone can hold support on it. Preferably 83 to 85. You can keep that one on watch. Slight volume right now on it too. All right, what else do we have over there? AUTL, PPSI, VLTA. Only 500,000 shares traded. I mean, it's early. It's only 8:40. Let's check in on VLTA. No news on VLTA. The latest news was 6 days ago. Another one of these charging stations. So yeah, no news right now on that one. All right. EVGO. How many shares traded though? Only 600. There's kind of light volume. I feel like everyone's looking at friggin' Tesla today. And I don't blame him. Tesla's gonna be my focus this morning. Be very careful trading Tesla, guys. It's definitely a mean one. Let me check if there's some news on this thing. Okay, so EVGO awarded grant funding by state of Pennsylvania to expand availability of DC fast charging stations. A lot of press releases today with a lot of gap ups today on charging stations. Let me see something here really quickly before. Surprised to see Lucid up so much with the Tesla struggles, but it is bouncing back rather strong from the lows, the pre-market lows here. Yeah, I mean these charging stations are taking a lot of attention today. On EVGO, I mean you have clear past support right there at 1050 zone. Like it does not get any clearer than that. Look at this. It doesn't get any clearer than that, right? And then you had previous resistance right here. So definitely got to throw that one up on the watch list. EVGO awarded grant funding by state of Pennsylvania to expand availability of DC fast charging station. Watching the 1050 area for support on pullbacks. Should have room to the 200. What kind of sucks about this is the move that I'm looking for, it's already made in pre-market, and that really sucks. Or they move an average around 12, 14. Okay, so right now the watch list is looking pretty good. Tesla, front and center, absolutely. BBIG could get some hype. PPSI, nice run. EVGO, another nice looking setup here on the intraday. All right, so we got about 14 minutes before the 9 a.m. press releases come out. All right, and around 9 a.m. I will be cutting off the stream and moving over to the Discord fully for the rest of the day. All right, so those of you who don't know, who just got into the stream here, you can join us on the Discord. And today happens to be Free Chat Monday. So on the Discord, you can join us to the live stream section for free all day long. So here's a link in chat. Come on over to the free Discord. Hang out with us. We're always there talking. Yo, Kevin, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on here, bud. Glad to have you on here. Welcome. My God, EVGO just keeps going. It needs to relax. It needs to relax. I hate when these stocks make the entire move in pre-market, because then they don't have any steam left for the regular session. Rob, welcome to the Discord, my man. Glad to have you on here. Look forward to trading with you today. All right, let me get back to the TI scans real quick here. Take a peek. All right, so far nothing new has really hit up. Oh man. Garib, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on here. Hope I pronounced that correctly. Guys, if I ever mispronounce your name, I'm just an island boy from South Florida. You know, I'm sorry. All right, so let's take a look here. Now, we did EVGO already. TLIS. Let me check in the TLIS, just seeing it hitting the scans here. Okay, well, there's no volume on that. Oh, it's an Indian word. All right. Yeah, you know, just try my best there. Oh, well, there you go. Learn something new. Well, thank you. Garib Admi. Thank you for the lesson. All right, so TLSI hitting the scans here just now. Let me check if maybe TLIS, sorry, maybe a press release just dropped. Okay, so this is an hour ago. It's just now seems to be getting a little bit of attention. TLIS granted FDA emergency use authorization for COVID-19 molecular point of care test to detect SARS-CoV-2. This chart is beaten down. I'm going to keep this one on watch. See if volume comes into this, and it's $6 hold support. You know what? I'm going to put it on the back burner list because right now it doesn't have volume. And I know sometimes you'll hear people say, oh, it's too thickly traded. Well, in my opinion, there's almost never such a thing. Almost never such a thing. Better yet, you have more thinly traded. That actually makes it more dangerous. More thickly traded, plenty of liquidity to get out. More thinly traded, liquidity is going to be an issue. So always keep that in mind. Back burner. I'm going to put this on the back burner list here. TLIS. Granted FDA emergency use authorization. Point of care test. Watching for volume. come in and a hold of the $6 level. Could have room to, what mouse am I using here? Here we go. $6.50 to $7. Could have room to $6.50 to $7. Very beaten. On the day. All right, guys. So, talk to me. How you liking this stream idea? Doing this every morning from 8 in the morning till 9 in the morning. What do you think about that? Do you like it? Tell me there in chat. Go to. And this go to a big move in pre-market. No. With all the charging PRs coming by today, which platform am I using? Like, what is this platform on my screen? Is that what you mean, JJ? Like the one I'm using right now on the screen? If that's the question, then that's TC 2000. Yeah, TC 2000. I love their charts. I love their charts. And then you have all sorts of awesome tools. You see this? And I use this every day in the chat room when I'm teaching. After we're done trading every morning, I go through recaps, live recaps, and then live lessons every morning. And I use these tools to teach. Hell, sometimes in the morning when I'm looking for a trade, I'll pre-draw everything before it happens and be like, this is what I'm looking for, so that's how you learn, right? So I love these charts. Like, I love them. They're the best. In my opinion, anyways, they're the best. So yeah, if you want to see that in action and all the live, lessons and trading, join the Discord. Because today, Discord is always free, but today the live stream section is Monday, so you get free access to that on Mondays. CHPT. CHPT is daily chart. Okay, let me check if there's news on this. CHPT. Charge point. All the charging stocks, all these charging stocks, like this infrastructure is moving around today. We definitely got to keep eyes on this today. ChargePoint and other EV charge stocks rally, electrify, the infrastructure bill. Exactly. If ChargePoint can get up over 29, over 30 bucks, it's definitely going to have room. It's definitely going to have room, but they need volume. Tesla coming back on down a little bit here from 1180. We talked about what 1190 area being potential resistance on Tesla, and it was off this hourly chart here, this little pivot. Definitely will be watching Tesla today for shorts. All right, guys, so it's kind of winding down. There's like about 4 minutes left before the 9 a.m. press releases come out. Before we get going, if you have a ticker you want me to look over, throw it in chat for me. I'll be happy to take a look for you. Otherwise, make sure to get into the Discord, because now in 4 minutes, the stream here on YouTube will end, but I will transition over to Discord probably 10 minutes later, right? I'm actually there streaming right now, but I'll probably take a little break here, fine tune the watch list, take a look at the scans and the press releases one more time for the 9 a.m. wave. And then we'll put that watch list out in the Discord. We'll email it, okay? And then I'll be live on the Discord again, going over the pre-market game plan with everyone. All right, so make sure you join up, because today's the day to get in there. Remember, you have free chat Monday, meaning you're gonna have access for free to the live stream today, all day long. Taking a look here to see if anything else pops up, guys, but right now doesn't seem like much. Let me see if there's anything else. So the Dow's set to start the week off. Reading here a little bit, market briefing. The Dow is set to start the week where it left off. The 30 stock average closed another record Friday, and so did the S&P and NASDAQ following a better than expected October jobs report. All three benchmarks saw solid gains in the first week of November. Stocks and pre-market got a boost from the House late Friday, passing an over $1 trillion infrastructure bill, because money means nothing and everything's monopoly money. Sending the legislation to President Joe Biden, House Democrats entered Friday's planning to pass both the infrastructure legislation and the party's $1.7 trillion social safety net and climate package, because the sun is hot. But a budget score demand from the handful of centrists delayed approval of the bigger bill. Sometimes being in the center isn't such a bad thing. Either the world's second largest digital coin, Ether, the world's second largest digital coin, surged more than 4% in 24 hours Monday to hit an all-time high above 4,700. Bitcoin, the biggest crypto, climbed 5% to 66,250, inching back towards its record high above 66,900, set in late October. The reason for the move wasn't clear. Cryptocurrencies are known for the volatile price swings. You don't say. So I closed off my SHIB swing trade. My last take profit was 100% gain, so I'll take it. I made really good money on that SHIB. I still have my Ether, and I still have all my long-term crypto. I have a portfolio that's long-term crypto, just like I have my long-term, my long-term stock and mutual funds, right? Like those, I have that long-term retirement. I have the same in cryptos, so I still have those, obviously. But then swing trade wise, I still have my Ether swing trade going, and I already closed out my SHIB swing trade. All right, guys. So it is 8:59 a.m. The stream is going to end here. Make sure to join us in the Discord for the day here. I mean, you're going to have access to the Discord always, because we have plenty of free content in the Discord. But today, Monday, you have free access to the live stream. Okay, so come on over and join us there. We'll be happy to see you there. And oh, Jay, welcome to the Discord. Welcome to the Discord, my man. Oh, Matt, it's totally my pleasure, bud. If you want to continue, I'm going to be free on Discord all day long today. So click there and join the Discord. It's completely free, and you can join the free chat Monday section. For today, you'll have full access to the live. Guys, good luck today. Trade disciplined. Trade your plan. Watch your share size. Stick to your risk tolerance. Don't let emotions dictate your decision making. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. on the next.